Hello. Right now I am at the almost more than 100-meter tall Derrick ground block. We can see very good bird's eye view of Singapore. You see there. Yeah, that's the city. And look around, and then maybe we can see the Indonesian border lines there. And this facility is in Singapore west side, Sembcorp Marine Mega Yard. These are the office and ships parking here for repair or new build. The drill ships or bulk carrier or container carriers, and all these engineering miracles, like these cranes are super heavy lifting cranes, and some are floating cranes, and you see some FPSO parking here. The oil industry is like a bit down right now, so these are standby and almost no maintenance. Of course they are losing money. And then here you see, there go the engineering borderline. The Indonesian borderline is finished, and here is the sea channel, and this side is Malaysia. A lot of ships are on the encouraged parking because of coronavirus and not moving situation all over the world. And if we look at the Malaysian territory, we can see the Malaysian second home program investments from foreign countries. There are a lot of housings, and most probably kind of lost project. And if you look at here, there is a Tuas checkpoint, a bridge. You can cross over to Malaysia, and you can see the Johor Bahru. So that's the sea line you can see from here. And if you look at here, so far whatever I have seen in my life, this is the highest capacity to 15,000 ton gigantic cranes. These are made for Shell Vito offshore platform project, invested by Shell with cooperation with Sembcorp Marine. That's a really miracle and super big cranes. And now here you can see the Singapore Jurong area, industrial areas. You can see the smokes are coming out, the industries are opening up again, and we came to the same point again. If you want to see the perspective of the height here, okay, how to explain? If you want to compare the height where I am standing, maybe comparatively you can compare this. The floor level of these buildings, and from where I am looking at. Another thing I want to explain is this area is a Singapore new build port, is still under construction. This will be a 5G network port, so there will be no man operation. Everything will be done by 5G network and software. The ship will come and dock, and the feedback will go to the central location, and the machine will decide when to start unloading the containers and where to park the containers. Everything will be done by machine and artificial intelligence, and then loading back the container to the trailer also will happen through the 5G network and software. So inside the port there will be no driver, no manual driving. So this will increase the speed a lot and efficiency of the port will be super high. When the trailer will exit the port, then only the driver will take over and bring out the container. If you want to see, one guy is cycling through that way. See how small he looks. Yep, that's it. Have a good day.